Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you our electric golf scooter. With the demand for electric vehicles these years, the changing is now spreading to the golf courses. We have many different golf scooter models with 2-wheelers and 3-wheelers. Today I'm going to show you one of these. Let's check some details. All the electric scooters are easy to learn and use. You can see the buttons for light, for horn, and for different gears. And since this scooter is for the golf course, our clients simplify some of the functions, but still keep all the signal lights for left and right lights, driving lights, and brake lights. We also offer optional choices for normal tires and off-road tires based on your specific needs. Regarding the foot patch, we are adding some bigger size CNC modified parts to increase the touch space and to protect more about the grass. These are all your scooters ready for loading container. Come and contact us to find more options for the business.